Hey guys, how's everybody doing today? I would like to welcome our new sponsor, ShowChrome, to the channel. I have a 2021 Ryker that's behind us. These guys from ShowChrome, they sponsored some commander boards for me. I'm in a wheelchair and I have no use of my legs, and with the stock factory Ryker pegs, they're just like a little stud. My feet tend to do this on the freeway and it's very uneasy feeling, you know. So these guys at ShowChrome, they supported my channel by providing me a set of these beautiful commander boards. I've installed the left side already, and now I'm going to show you guys how to install the right side. And it's fairly simple. You only need a couple of tools, and let me show you what those are. It's a beautiful day out here in Southern California. Good time to be riding. It's the middle of December, almost at Christmas time. So I like to grab a rubber mallet, and that helps you pop the factory peg up. You need a 8mm Allen wrench, and you need a 6mm Allen wrench, and that's it. That's simple. You do get really two pieces in the kit that you have to worry about here, and simply is just the commander board itself and these little side sensitive mounting brackets. And so for the left side of the bike, the mounting brackets has two horns, and for the right side of the bike, with the one with the brake pedal, the mounting bracket only has one horn. So that's the one we're going to be installing now. In order to remove the factory peg, we're going to be using a 6mm Allen, just to go ahead and then twist that. I'm going to throw the camera down below so you guys can see what I'm doing. Alright, so as you can see here, we have the brake pedal side, and you have the stock peg. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab that rubber mallet, and we're going to loosen it up by hitting it upways. So you just beat that up, that loosens it, releases it. We got a 6mm Allen, and you're going to want to loosen the bolt here like this. It's going to take you a minute. There's a lot of threads. Alright, I'm getting close to the end here, pretty much to the point where you can unscrew it by hand, and it's free. So as you guys can see, the factory peg is just sheet metal folded over and leaves a lot of comfort out of the equation here, where ShowChrome guys came in and designed a foot peg where it rests most of your shoe. You could adjust the angle, and it nicely folds where you're not using it without any effort. So lots of benefits there. I'll clean this out a little bit. Got some dirt in there. Alright. So the next step you're gonna do, we're gonna grab the mounting bracket with the single horn, and it goes with the horn part below. Pop that in just like that. And then if you need to adjust your brake, all you do is you pull that pedal out, and then you can adjust it either up or down. So first thing we're gonna do is get a few threads in by hand. Then you're gonna want to put your Allen wrench on it and continue tightening it until it is tight, but do not over tighten it. Alright, so she's nice and tight. We're going to grab the 8mm Allen wrench, the commander board, and the supplied hardware bolt. Okay. There we go, lock it into place. Seems about a good angle right there. And you see, guys, how nicely it folds when it's not in use. So if you want to cover your bike, this folds away perfectly. And now you don't need an Allen wrench to actually unlock the pedal, which is so much better than the factory setup. I really like this. That looks so nice when it's all nice and finished. When you're done riding, boom, you fold it, and that's it. You're done. Effortless. And if you ever want to change the angle, you just get your 8mm, loosen that up, rotate it, done deal. Awesome. Excellent. Love it. I just want to thank the guys at ShowChrome again for providing these awesome commander boards. I love them. They fit, they look so great, and they're super comfortable. I can't wait to go for a ride with them after lunch today. I'm out testing these commander boards given to me by ShowChrome. The guys at ShowChrome were nice enough to support my channel. And provide these really cool commander boards, what they're called, basically floorboards, for my feet to sit on. They're super comfortable, and they give me a lot more surface area than the factory pegs. Plus, they're made out of aluminum, and they just look cool. They're awesome. So yeah. All right. So I'm just testing them out right now. Just kind of riding around. I may angle them up more, but I just want to say I'm really grateful for this generous donation to my channel from ShowChrome. Another mod to make this Ryker that much more enjoyable for me to ride and that much more comfortable. I actually really like it. I could tell a difference, even though like I can't move my legs or my feet. I could definitely tell a difference in comfort level. I don't know if you guys could see that from my view, but they look amazing. They're really cool. I can't recommend them enough. I love them. If you guys are looking to increase the comfort of your ride a little bit and get your feet more planted, have a more secure platform that's fully adjustable, that looks good, that's good quality, that matches your front air arms much better than the factory unpainted pegs. These things are 10 out of 10 recommended. Excellent. I love them. Thank you guys again.